Okay, welcome to the session. My name is Nchimbi. I'm going to have a lesson on hardness of water. In this lesson, my concentration will be on definition, causes of hardness of water, characteristics, and how to soften hard water. Hardness versus soft water. When we say hardness of water, for example, water from the river, this is the one which doesn't form leather readily with soap. Hard water is also the water which forms scum with soap when used for washing. It is a result of dissolved calcium or magnesium ion. And soft water, for example, the rainwater, is the one which forms leather readily with soap. So once you are using soft water in washing, it forms leather and it doesn't form scum. So no scum formation when you use soft water on washing. In addition, there are no dissolved calcium or magnesium in soft water. Now, with hardness of water, when rainwater falls on rocks or soil, it carries dissolved acidic gases. When water passes through the air, there are acidic gases such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. When dissolved in this rainwater, they form the so-called acidic rain. The acidic rain, once they fall into rocks, like here from the caption, these rocks may contain calcium carbonate. The calcium carbonate will react with acidic rain, acidic water. They form calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is a soluble salt. The presence of this calcium hydrogen carbonate into water, it releases calcium ions. The calcium ions causes hardness of water. In this case, calcium hydrogen carbonate become a temporary hardness of water. The water become temporarily hard. It is temporary because you can reverse the reaction. The calcium hydrogen carbonate can decompose on heat to form calcium carbonate and water. So let us go to the other causes of hardness of water. If the soil now contains calcium sulfate, such as from gypsum, here is a caption for gypsum. Is that gypsum contains calcium sulfate, and calcium sulfate is a sparingly soluble substance. When water passes through this kind of soil or rocks, they dissolve this material and the water become hard. It's a permanent hardness. The permanent hardness of water is due to the inability of calcium sulfate solution fail to decompose on heating. So for permanent hardness of water, you cannot soften it by boiling. Now, how do we soften hard water? Hard water can be softened depending on the types of hardness. Temporary hardness of water can be softened by boiling. You may also soften it by addition of baking soda. When you boil, the calcium carbonate obtained as a solid substance. Now, for permanent hardness of water, you can soften it by addition of baking soda. You may also soften it by ion exchange. Here is baking soda. It is common for domestic purpose, but it can be used in softening hard water. Thank you for listening.